So to create our drop shadow, we simply select the object, go to Effect, go to Stylize, and go to Drop Shadow. And here we get this pop-up where we can adjust the setting. First, we can change the blending mode if we like to, but I usually just use multiply or overlay. Opacity is how visible you want your shadow. If you go to 25%, it is less visible. And by the way, if your changes is not showing real time, you need to have preview checked. The X offset parameter right here controls the horizontal placement. So move it far to the right by raising the offset and move it to the left by lowering the offset, and you can go negative right here. And of course, Y offset is just up and down. The blur controls how blurry you want your shadow or if you just want a hard line. So if you put this to 0, you'll get a very hard line, as you can see right here. And I can up this opacity so we can see it more clearly. And down here at color, you can change the color you want for your shadow. So use this tip in your next project. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.